Hello, my name is Errol and I'm with Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the property 1179 Woody Cypress Drive in Kissimmee, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse with a 2-car garage, and hopefully you like it. Let's take a look. Here's your kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You have your dining room and your living room over here. You have a breakfast bar and kitchen island with electric and a space to put stools there. Down here you have your half bath right in here. And back here we go into your patio. It's an open patio, covered patio actually. We'll step inside and go over here. So right over here you do have your pantry and then the space to put, some your keys or your purse whenever you're coming in through the garage, your wallet, stuff like that. And so we'll head upstairs. Up here we have your laundry room right over there. We have a space to put a desk and an office right over there. Over here is your first bedroom. And that is a king size bed, so you can see how much space there is in this bedroom. Enough space for a couple dressers, some nightstands. Here's bedroom number 2. Here's your first full bathroom. Double sinks. Tub shower combo in here. Linen closet to the left. Here's your third bedroom as well. And then we'll go into the master bedroom. Very spacious. You can see it has a king size bed, dresser over there, 2 nightstands. You have space to put maybe another dresser over here or a TV stand. Plenty of space in this bedroom. Ceiling fan. Over here we have double sinks. Walk-in closet right over there. And then you got a shower. And here's your toilet area over there. Well, hopefully you like this property. Thank you for coming. And have a good day.